Vlog. So we're leaving and we're going to school. We're going to LA and we're at Southwest, and now I'm leaving. These bags are heavy. My back is hurting. I don't know what to do, but yeah, farewell sweet Chicago. College era is here. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get to the terminal. Oh my god, this man was just here on it. Oh my goodness. So I made it to LAX and we're waiting on the embassy shuttle thing, and look at those sparkles. And my grandma on the meeting. We waited on my dad too. I don't know how many bags he got, but I got my shirt, Shire senior shirt on because this shirt is so comfortable. Like it's so comfortable. I wear it every day. Like you barely be feeling like you got a shirt on with this thing. And so like gotta wear airports simplified. Is that it? No, it's new phone. New phone. Who did?
I wonder what that is.
Right.
Never have I ever, maybe, because then you can get to know people.
Oh yeah, and this is basically you get a prompt and then you put the name of whoever got the best. It's kind of like that. Incoherent. Yeah. Maybe I get incoherent.
But what is that about?
So basically, you got the word and you gotta. It says
Yes to Jimmy.
yes. Read this one, and you gotta guess what it says.
Thursday, fourth day. Okay, move your finger because I don't. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, that one's silly.
Yeah, that was funny.
Yeah, go ahead. I think that one is good.
Thursday, 33rd.
Right,
13th Thursday.
You gotta keep saying it and stuff. So
Yeah, I would never get that.
No, no card.
That's how I was gonna get.
Oh, right now, right here.
Oh yeah, the regular.
Yeah, regular.
Yeah, like I game people. I know, right?
And can you put it on?
Mama, you pushing it.
Why not? If I would.
It's supposed to sit up like a piece of art.
This one nice too.
Yeah, that one is. They got different ones. I never seen this one.
Me either.
Well,
I
but
never
you know
seen.
what?
I never seen this one either.
That's the only one I ain't never seen.
Which one? This
This
one?
man,
Singing in the light of your halo.
You still just see that Deadpool movie.
Man, y'all keep saying that Deadpool movie is crazy in and out.
It's crazy.
I don't got no TV. I'm using my computer and stuff. Should I go this way? Cause maybe not.
What?
Oh my god! Boy,
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
You know what? Let me get up before he come back. You might fall.
Cause how did you fall onto the thing?
Oh my
Because I was trying to kick it without kicking it to kick over no stuff. Okay, we're here.
Looks like a little community. It's over there. Yeah, that's part of it.
Yeah, I think so. So we're on campus. You can't see me because I don't know where I'm going. I already don't know where I'm going. So that's the big problem. They say 5 minutes away, but my legs are already hurting. But I did get this for the free. and the family is pushing that stuff. So, oh, that's a nice thing. My mama is struggling. Be back. Y'all, I'm using my mama phone, and these are the boxes. Oh my goodness. You want me to open it? Oh. That's not the wrong thing to open.
See, that can come out.
Mm-hmm.
Luckily he said we can keep this. Luckily he said we can keep this.
Right, because we can release, drag it, or carry it together.
Right. So I don't have to bring this back?
No.
So good, because I'm about to come to distribution center like this every day.
Girl. I'm just trying to see what else do if we're gonna have to do it, because I don't know if it's anything else at this distribution center.
Right.
Except the stuff TT, like, but this is a lot of packaging.
So it might be here, it just might not be saying it.
Right.
It says stick. It's okay. Luckily we got a car, cause we were
Ain't no way.
we was not making
Ain't
it.
no way.
We was not making it without it.
Box so it won't or hold that one
Cause
of
it's
the
something.
boxes.
It's like
So it won't be on that window and in your mama's view. This ain't nothing. You can hold it.
that can be open.
This is good. Maybe.
Want me to move this one?
Let me see these little bags.
You want to move this one, Grandma? Maybe.
Yeah. What's these little things? Okay. Yeah, you right. That's over. You won't be blocking your view.
Yeah, she blocking her view anyway, cause.
Oh, in the back?
Yeah.
Already. Oh, well, don't worry about that.
Right.
Yeah.
I think they got that camera thing on there. Gotta do my vlog. Everybody tired and hot. Here's my view. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, but I forgot that I was supposed to be vlogging, and it's the second day. It's so many people on this campus right now with their families. And I'm looking for my classes, and the classes are a long walk from, well, 3 of the classes not. It's the other one. That's a long walk.
2 classes. I think I might get me a taco. Hard luck.
I'm trying to, ow. Y'all, I am trying Qdobo for the first time.
It looks good, actually.
This is the raw taste. Oh yeah, it's alright, but I like Chipotle. I like Chipotle better. It ain't nothing like Chipotle. They can't say this is like the colorway of any life. Because it's
What
not.
did you get? Why yours was different? Because I didn't get.
She didn't get the sour cream on there. Just the chips.
You want to taste it, Mama? Did you get an extra fork? I can go and get one if you want
Oh.
to taste it. But you got steak.
No, that chips and guac is good. No, I got steak.
You want me to get a fork? Yeah. Let me cover it and come back. This steak is chunky. She got. I had this on the side. I want to get on that side. They had to have some more. This. Okay. So, y'all, I'm in my room and I'm about to go with my mom to get some stuff from the distribution center. And I don't know. I was just writing in my diary thing. It's not a diary. It's just a thing that I'm writing every day. And I know I'm close. I hope y'all can hear me. A little ASMR. So, yeah. What is this? And I hope that I can record some more because I haven't been recording because they got us doing stuff and I didn't even have my phone because my phone was dead. So, therefore, I hope I can record some more for y'all. If not, I'm sorry. Y'all, I'm walking to find my mom. And it's cold out here. It's like freezing. And I'm trying to think, what am I don't think I'm wearing no... I don't think I'm wearing no shorts. It's freaking cold. This is a different type of weather. I need some heat. I need to go back home. But this is where we were yesterday for the orientation thing. And I'm not gonna lie, the people in my room might have to help me with my room. So, okay, Mother, where are you?
Okay, Miss YouTuber.
Try my best. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, it's Sunday and I'm just gonna end the video here because we have, well, I might show y'all the block club party, who knows, but we have a block club party today and honestly I haven't had the chance to record a lot. I might have, I don't know, but I'm walking back to my dorm and I need to start editing, so bye.